How to sign up for Lyft using Facebook. Want to sign up for Lyft with your Facebook account? Here's how to do it easily. First, open the Lyft app and tap on Get Started. Then look for the Sign Up with Facebook option. Once you find it, tap on it and you will be redirected to the Facebook's login page. Enter your Facebook login info and tap Continue. If you are already logged in, Lyft will automatically connect your account. Lyft will ask for a few permissions. Approve them so your name and email sync correctly. Once accepted, you are brought right into the app and your account is set up. If you are not redirected or nothing happens, try logging out of Facebook and reopening the Lyft app. Drop a comment if the Facebook login is not connecting. With your Facebook linked Lyft account ready, you can now set up payment, request rides, and more. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.